Welcome back to Fearless Mechanics, and today we're going to see the look and the sound of a Megan Racing test pipe. Are y'all ready? I don't think you are.
I've been ready.
I'm going to sit here and let it warm up for a second. Hopefully everything goes okay. We don't have no cops showing up saying that you got a lot of exhaust and stuff like that. Just, you know. I'm letting it warm up.
I know. It smells like it hasn't been ran for 3 days.
Yeah. So, little backstory to these Megan Racing test pipe. I got the test pipe back maybe about a year and a half ago. It's seen some better days. I don't have it hooked up to the muffler, so it will be hanging down, which it kind of scrapes on everything and anything, even the road.
I mean, it's connected to the white pipe and then goes straight back, and then
yeah,
somehow magically stays up.
I have no idea how it stays up
with the muffler without rattling or anything.
All right, now that it's a little warm,
you guys will see it once I start holding the camera and we find the spot.
It doesn't engage anymore either.
Standard.
Yeah. Kind of figured. So, I see that my 0 to 60, you know, from 0 to 60 has got a lot of views. And, I'm seeing that this is what's taking this channel off right now. So I'm giving what the people want, more videos of a G35.
I mean, I see how it is with the Toyota Corolla, you know. No one sees that as fun as a G.
Don't doubt yourself now. We are mechanics. There is no we can't do it. It's we can. So smash that thumbs up button. I know you're watching. You always got to look at that spot. That spot always carries cops right there. I don't want to be pulled over for some stupid stuff right now because I don't have my license on me. Normal. I'm legal. I just don't like carrying my license.
Should you really say that on camera, though, to all of our viewers?
It's not like they're going to care. Right.
What if the cops that are watching?
Okay. Cops are not, I mean, they're all our viewers. I mean, they're going to stick with us through thick and thin, dude. Hopefully they stick with us through thick and thin.
Yeah, we got to show you guys the inside of this car. This thing, it looks pretty battered on the dash.
Well, since it was in an accident, I don't exactly know where the accident took place, but I do know that it did bend the frame in on the right quarter panel, quarter fender, actually, not quarter panel. The fender actually doesn't match up with the whole car, so it's offset a little bit. Where is a good spot?
I'm trying to think. There's not really a good stretch of road.
It's quiet and nobody's around. And it's like out in the open. Actually, I do know.
You have a spot?
I actually do know.
I know you guys usually, when you see G35 doing exhaust clips, you know, on the we're going to be doing the flybys. But usually they'll already have a spot set up, and they'll already have a place where they're already at, and the camera's already set up and all that stuff. Not us though. We actually take you on the adventure of trying to find a spot.
Gotta wait on this red light now, because I should have went back that way to begin with.
Well, I hope our viewers heard me.
Yeah. Sorry, I had to get in front of somebody. I got 280 horses and can't use but 100. Sad. Yes, we're vapors.
There's a boat.
Hey!
He actually looked at you too.
You're probably thinking, hey, look, there's a G. Let me go talk to him. Actually, no, I got a better game plan for this. This, no. Just that. It's gonna circle through because of this.
No.
God, my exhaust smells nasty.
That's your oil leak, bro. Unless the oil's still burning off your exhaust when you flip the other one.
Nah.
I wonder why you flipped the other one. It's not from reckless driving, is it?
No. Like I done told the viewers, you know, it's because of there was a guy, he was coming in the center lane, he took the turn wide.
Yeah, but they don't know your past history.
They really don't.
Like I do. We both know each other's past history, and I really wish we had it on camera. But as you can tell, just being in the car, it can be hard to talk in here. As you heard me talking a second ago, he kind of punched it a little bit, kind of, you know, he put the gas to the carpet, and you guys can hear a darn word I was saying. I mean, the thing is so loud.
It's not obnoxious. It's
like, I really wish we could show you guys the stock sound versus what we have on there now.
I mean, when you're sitting here, you can just hear the cam. I mean, it almost sounds like a baby GTR. So, I mean, we got a lot of...
How about we just let the viewers decide on what it sounds like?
Touché.
Because to us, it sounds completely different. It could sound like something totally off the charts to them. It could sound like a rice can to some, especially the people who actually have a G that have it fully modified.
I mean,
that's why it's up to them to decide on what's going on.
I mean, if somebody does have a fully tuned G35 that's watching the channel, I believe that they do know that Megan Racing makes some good pipes. So I mean, it's not, I don't have the worst pipes. It's not like I went and got eBay headers, eBay test pipes with an eBay intake. I mean, Spectre,
right? But
they're widely known, and so is Megan Racing.
To put this simply, though, yes, you do have a Megan Racing test pipe, but it's not hooked up in anything. So essentially, depending on what the material's made of, is going to vary on the sound. And also on top of that, it's kind of like we're just straight piping it, because it is straight pipe. But
I mean, it has a small resonator. I'm thinking about cutting that out of the Megan test pipe and putting a glass pack in it, either a glass pack or a cherry bomb.
Why would you want to mess up a reason? Why would you want to mess that up?
test pipe, yes, but I want a louder, more raspier sound for right now. I mean, I want to go up beside a Honda Civic and just.
So you want to sound like a Honda Civic?
No. No. I want it to where I'm not sounding racing.
Explain it to a person like me who has a completely stock vehicle. You know, explain it as if I'm the person that doesn't know anything about automotive.
That's hard to do.
Well, that's some of our viewers out there.
Yes, but I will try to explain it as good as I can. All right, so.
Oh, I know where you're.
So what Hondas normally do is they normally take the muffler off and straight pipe it from all the way from the headers back. That means
they won't even do that. They'll just cut off the muffler.
Yeah, that's muffler delete. But
if you look at 98, like a 94 to 98 Honda Civic, and you cut off the muffler on it, it sounds worse than the Camry. I mean the Corolla.
Yes.
Camry or Corolla. It doesn't even matter which one I say. It sounds worse than both of them.
Yes. But all right, so you have 4 main components to a exhaust pipe. You have headers, which come straight from the engine. That's the pipe coming off the engine. On 4 cylinders, it's called a manifold. Then you have catalytic converters, which tone down the sound because it's supposed to give it a cleaner. It has honeycomb inside of the catalytic converters, which clean most of the carbon out of the exhaust, and that's what keeps the carbon inside. You have a resonator that's usually in the center or near the end of the pipe. Most cars have one. Some have more than one to tone down the sound almost to quiet.
If you have a truck, it can be around 2. Some cars, believe it or not, even have up to 4 of them.
Yeah.
If you look at the Mercedes or anything like that, the BMW, they'll have up to 4 of them on there.
Yeah.
Because they want completely quiet cars.
And then you have one last thing is the muffler. That is what actually cuts out all of the sound. It's an actual big piece of round or oval shaped pipe, which is about maybe, I'd say 15 inches or 20 inches depending on the car.
How about you just say, look at the back. Look near the butt end of your car, under the bumper. That's where the muffler is.
Somebody's already up here. I don't feel like. God damn it!
There's one person. You can just go like toward like the center of the road over there.
Straight right here.
Oh, that'll work. Oh, that'll work right here. That's perfect. All right, guys. I'm gonna bring you along with me. We're gonna get out the car and we're gonna look at this thing and all that fun stuff. So let's get out for a second. Alright. Now, would you like to explain to them?
Alright, so I do still have, if you turn the camera down here, I do still have the stock mufflers on here. Now, as you see, there is a pipe that's hanging down. That is my Megan Racing mid pipe. But I still do have the muffler. It's not hooked up. It's not 100%, but that is the mid pipe. This is only a test pipe for right now. It's not supposed to be used 100% for the exhaust. But as for right now, I'm gonna rev it a couple of times, give y'all a notice of the sound. I'll be back in a couple of seconds. I'm gonna go up to 3,000 and then raise my way up to 4.
Alright. That was 3,000 RPMs to 4,000 RPMs. We didn't even max it out. So that's your sound clip.
Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go from right here all the way down. I'm gonna turn around and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna do 3 runs. The first run's gonna be a low RPM. Second run's gonna be a mid RPM, and the third one's gonna be a high RPM. That means the high RPM, I'm gonna floor it. The first RPM is you're gonna hear the gear changes a lot different, same as the mid run and the high run. I'm gonna go ahead and do the slow run right now. That's what I'm gonna call this, a slow run. They feel slow to me. So that's the low rev. I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and I'll be right back.
That is the low run. He's turning around right now so we can get ready for the mid run. And we like to do it in levels so you guys can understand what's going on.
Alright, now for the mid range. This is going to be from 4,000 to 5,000 RPMs taking off, and it's going to shift point from there. All right.
I know it's an automatic, but you know, that doesn't sound bad at all. You hear that thing coming from a mile away too. I will say this, as a bystander, that is one of the best sounds in the world to hear on the side of the road.
And now I am going to floor it all the way up to 7,000 RPMs, then it's going to hit the shift point.
Now guys, I'm also going to angle this camera shot, and maybe we might even get a little bit of a burnout, so let's see what happens.
Alright.
Go! Guess we need to modify it a little bit more. There wasn't any chirping. I think we need to modify it more. Sounds good, but she needs some more ponies. Damn, that thing's loud.
hope the wind noise isn't affecting you guys at all. We got a question for you. You want to see if you can do a burnout for everyone?
If you follow me down here, there's actually a cul-de-sac. I feel a lot more better since trucks come out from right here. I'll feel a whole lot better doing it around there than doing it exactly like right here. You want to jump in the car and come with me for a second?
Well, let's all go with you.
I can smell them rotors. Good God. Now, if you do have a stock G35, you haven't modded it or modified it in any type of way, you have a button over here near the console which is called VDC. Now, in order to do a proper burnout without trying to make it to where the traction control kicks in, you might want to go ahead and cut that off. That will disable any type of traction your car might have or would have if that was on. Now, do you want to do an in-ride view first?
I'm telling you what, you know, I do want to do an in-ride view, but I feel like getting the outside is going to be the most fun right now, because I feel like you can even do a couple donuts.
I'm going to do some donuts.
Oh, it's going to happen. All right, we're going to get out and go on the grass over here. Okay, guys, this is just about to, this is going to get fun. Now, if you guys like the video of us just doing a 0 to 60, this is just about to get fun. A little bit of power sliding there. Nice. Heck yeah, full on power slide. Give him a burnout. Now that, guys, is just having fun with a G. And that's why you guys need to get one. That is one beautiful looking G. I'll tell you that right now. Look at that.
Before we go any further on the in-ride view,
look at this, guys.
look at how much fun you can have with just a stock G35.
We gave the cops a couple donuts.
Now, we did this in a complete safe environment. This is a cul-de-sac.
Yeah,
you can do a couple of donuts.
We have a main road there. Well, that's not even a main road. This is just a side road. Nobody's around. All the businesses around here are closed. You don't have to worry about anything. And yes, we do have dirt on the ground, but that makes it a little bit more fun.
Oh yeah, it was, dude. There is no grip on this. There is exactly no grip. As soon as I hit this, oh, it just kept on going. I'm like, oh yes. All right, so you want to go ahead and do the in-ride view real quick?
Yeah, let's do an in-ride view, and let's end this video, man.
All right.
All right, guys, come on. We're gonna get inside here and do an in-ride view, and I'm gonna hold on so I can make this as safe as possible for you guys. Let me get my hand set up here. All right, go for it. Have fun.
Oh man, you guys need to get a G. If you already have one, you know exactly how much fun we're having right now. That is amazing. Alright, I'm gonna set you guys back down in here. Actually, you know what? We're gonna end this. We're gonna end this video because it is about time for us to get the hell up out of here.
If there's cops called or anything,
it's
I don't want to be here.
It's not even cops. We're just hungry.
Hey.
But I'm gonna put my seatbelt back on because we're getting back on main roads. So, you guys, I definitely want you to subscribe, like, and definitely leave them comments down below. You know, that lets us know